Once the lab is done with the analysis, typically a week or two later, data can be uploaded back to the SampleServe platform in any number of ways. Data can be uploaded by the laboratory, it can be emailed to the client, and they can upload it. There's also an automated email function where they can email it back to SampleServe and it will upload automatically. After data has been uploaded, it's simply a point-and-click function to generate all kinds of different graphics. There is a small fee for the use of the report preparation functionality. The platform can generate reports on groundwater, surface water, drinking water, soil, soil vapor, air, cannabis, other media, you name it. Users can compare it to different cleanup criteria. We've input and uploaded most of the state's various cleanup criteria throughout the country, and many of the cleanup criteria from many other countries as well. On many reports, you're going to be able to select the criteria you want to compare your results to, and it will highlight exceedances in red automatically. If you generated site-specific criteria, you can compare to that criterion as well. Users can generate reports very quickly in a matter of minutes. The first time setting up report preferences is going to take you several minutes. However, once your preferences are set for each type of graphic, you're able to generate those graphics in a matter of seconds from that point on. Users are allowed an unlimited number of graphics to report information on. This is handy for sites with multiple source areas and different types of contaminants across the project site. Training on the reporting functionality is pretty simple. If a user has any experience at all in preparing environmental reports, most of those users will learn how to use this reporting software in under 2 hours. As mentioned, we do charge a small fee for the reporting service. Use of the reporting services is not required, and the field data and sample collection applications can still be used at no cost. The vast majority of users choose to opt into our reporting functionality because of the value and simplicity of the reporting product. Here's a quick video illustrating the various types of reporting products we have. We can generate isochemical contours on a cross-section, groundwater flow contours, all kinds of data graphs and data tables, data box maps that you can compare to different cleanup criteria, and isochemical contours on a flat map. And as mentioned, isochemical contours on a cross-section. Currently, we do not build the soil boring logs or construct the cross-sections. We plan on having that functionality by the end of 2024. We can, however, plot an isochemical contour on your cross-section. Here's a quick list of all the different graphics and reports that we can currently generate. Each graphic can be generated for soil, groundwater, soil vapor, you name it. If there's a particular graphic that you like, we can build customized graphics as well. If we have the data in the system and you provide an example of your particular graphic, we can likely reproduce that graphic within the platform. We can also export data to any other type of database there is. One of the more common ones is Equus, which we have customers that export to that platform almost on a daily basis. There are also other entities that require a specific export format, like the state of Minnesota, that we can build for as well. That export functionality is fairly straightforward. You simply use the EDD export button. If you desire a straight-up Equus export, you'll use that process. If, for instance, you want a Minnesota export, you're going to call for that function. The platform is intelligent, and it's going to know the state or territory the project is located in, and it will only show the functions applicable to that state or territory. The export can be in the form of a zip file that is handled manually, or we can use an automated API if desired. The platform is great for all kinds of different media. It's great for Phase 2 real estate transactions, when the customer needs the report yesterday. It's also great for soil sampling, remediation system sampling, soil vapor sampling, surface water sampling, wastewater sampling, sediment sampling, air sampling, and, as mentioned earlier, asbestos sampling. Another significant emerging market is cannabis. As they legalize cannabis across the country, there's all kinds of quality control measures and regulations that require sampling, analysis, and reporting using third-party samplers and chain of custody documentation.